Today, I'm going to show you how to remove the background in PowerPoint 2013 quickly and easily. This is a really useful trick if you want to make your slides look more professional, clean up an image, or isolate just the subject without needing any extra software. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple PowerPoint tips and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and click on the image that you want to edit. As soon as you select the image, you'll see the Picture Tools menu appear at the top of PowerPoint. From there, go to the Format tab under Picture Tools. This is where all of the image editing options are located. Once you're in the Format tab, look for the Remove Background button and click it. PowerPoint will automatically highlight the area it thinks should be removed, usually showing the background in a colored overlay. Now, this is the part where you can fine-tune the selection. If PowerPoint doesn't get it perfect on the first try, don't worry, because you can manually adjust it. Use mark areas to keep to tell PowerPoint which parts of the image you want to stay visible. Then use mark areas to remove to tell it which parts should be taken out. Take your time with this step and zoom in if needed, especially if your image has detailed edges or a complex background. The goal is to make sure the subject looks clean and natural after the background is removed. Once you're happy with the selection, click Keep Changes. PowerPoint will apply the edit, and the background will be removed from your image. From there, you can place the image on any slide, layer it over other objects, or use it in a more polished design, and that's it. You've successfully removed the background in PowerPoint 2013. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to find the tool, and it can save you a lot of time when editing images inside your presentation. If this video helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments if you want more PowerPoint tutorials like this one.